Hey, are you getting the verify your age message this or this or this or okay, not this, whether you are on a computer or on an iPhone? There is a way to fix it on any iPhone, on any Android device, on any desktop. And I'm making a lot of videos just like this to help you guys out. So if you appreciate it, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from? I'm really curious to know that. So what you want to do is actually go on YouTube. And first, I'm not condoning anyone watching something that's not appropriate for his age. That's not a good thing. But there's a way to bypass it, and it basically lets you complete a brief check. You can verify it, but chances are you are not old enough to view the content. So the only thing you can do is just sign out from that YouTube account that you're currently using, and you can sign in or sign up with the new one. And you need to be aged 18 or higher to view content just like this. So you might want to register a new account that's registered at least in 2003 to be able to access all these features. I really hope this video helped you out. I'm trying to do a lot of videos just like this. Me and my team, we upload over 100 videos um, per week. And if you want to help us out, all you gotta do is just like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Each like gets us a few more views. And I really want to see you in one of the next videos. And again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I try to reply to as many comments as I can.